Craving a fudgy chocolatey dessert with a fruity twist, but don't want to bake an entire tray of brownies? This berry chocolate brownie mug cake is soft, gooey, and bursting with fresh raspberries. The best part? It's ready in just 1 minute. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This forms the base of our brownie. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Mix everything together well so the cocoa and baking powder blend evenly. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of milk to keep the cake soft and moist, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter for that rich, fudgy texture. Add 2 to 3 finely chopped raspberries right into the batter. They'll melt down slightly and create little pockets of juicy berry goodness. Stir until smooth and combined. Microwave your mug on high for about 1 minute, depending on your microwave's power. Finish it off with a dollop of whipped cream, a few extra fresh raspberries, and a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. And just like that, you've got a warm, fudgy berry chocolate brownie mug cake. The rich chocolate blends perfectly with juicy berries and a hint of honey. So delicious. Give this mug cake a try. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and don't forget to follow me for more easy recipes.